Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to duplicate here in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Duplicating here in Adobe Express is a simple process that can save time when working on designs. Now, once you are logged into your account, I want you to click on the project or design that you're working. If you haven't already, just go to the template section wherein you can browse thousands of inspiring design where you can start your work. Or if you want to create your work from scratch, just click on this button right here. For example, if you want to duplicate items such as text, images, or shapes here in Adobe Express, all you have to do, for example, this image, right-click and click the duplicate. All right, or you might want to press the Control+D if you want. Right? You see that? I'm going to drag this all the way to the second page, right here. Delete that. I'm going to cut this one and forward this on the second page. So basically, again, right click and duplicate. It's very easy. Now, that also applies to the, for example, if you put in an element right here, like an arrow, right click and duplicate. You see, even if you click that, there's going to be an option that says duplicate. Same thing with the in the media. If you have uploaded, say, for example, a video right here, let's choose this video. For example, this, if you click that, drag it here, there should be an option that says duplicate. All right, so that is the easiest way for you to duplicate images, text, or shapes. Now, for the text, obviously, we're going to put in here, add your text, type in your text right here. And again, you right click, click on the duplicate. It's very easy. Now, if you want to group them all together in one place, there's going to be a group. Right click on it and you have an option to duplicate and go to the add a new page. Same size, paste that duplicated items right here. It's a very easy thing to do. All right. Now, I want you to click on the home page and I want you to go to the your stuff and the left side panel of your section, wherein your design can be duplicated as well by clicking on this button right here and click on duplicate. All right. And you can rename this file as long as you want it and click on the duplicate section. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.